Here we are again. Another beautiful morning for fishing around and finding out. Hopefully the fish will be biting this morning. We got our Catch 110 out here today. Kayak with the trolling motor. We got about, 3 hours or so before it gets really windy. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what we can do here. Get out in the kayak and out on the lake. It is a cold, foggy morning this Saturday morning, and we are gonna see if we can find the fish. Beautiful out here, man. Just gorgeous. Sun isn't even up yet all the way. It's gonna be about 62 to 64 degrees today. We got the troller on. We're gonna see what happens with that. But I think first, I'm just gonna go out here and try to get some fish. I'm not sure even how deep it is. I think it's a good 20 feet out straight up where I'm pointing the camera out that way. You can see there's ripples on the water already, so the wind's already starting. So we better get to it. The lake is like glass this morning. Got a new jig I'm gonna try out. I did not bring my bait caster today, but this jig right here, we're gonna try this out. Give it a shot. It's a new jig body and a new jig head. So I'll see what happens. Roller down here, see what we can. I'm gonna motor over to the other side of the lake. It is cold today. Holy. Actually, you know what? We're gonna troll over there. We're gonna put a line out. We're just gonna troll over there. See what we can find. Ow. If anything, I know there's crappies in here. I don't know if they'll bite on this, but we're gonna find out. More Canadian honkers. Troll our way across the lake. Find out what's biting. Fish around and find out. Here, the lake is like a mirror. Ooh, we had topwater right there behind us. Wow. Maybe we switch it up already. Grab this, put that there. A fish. Got something. Oh no. It threw it. Actually, we're gonna try this thumper here. Try the thumper here and see. Alright, we got that set up. Alright, I'm gonna try a topwater because I see fish jumping all over the place. There we go. There's one. Is it a bass? It's a bass. That's a big bass. Not a bad size. Not a bad size at all. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Get off of there. No. Get the fuck off of there. Thank you. Oh my god. That is a nice sized bass. Not a bad bass. Is that a largemouth? Yes. It is a largemouth. And they are in the shallows. Oh, hello. Hello. Hey, buddy boy. He's a fat boy, huh? You're a fat boy, huh? Just a fat little guy. Well, medium size, I guess. Look at him. Get that out of there. There we go. Not a bad sized bass. Look at him. Not bad at all. Hey, little buddy. How you doing? That's a good one. There he goes. All right, sweet. Right off the bat, no skunks. No skunks allowed. Sitting in these reeds for sure. Another one. Oh no. They are biting. Holy crap. Like 14 freaking trumpeter swans just took off. That's cool. Keep moving down the shore here. See if we can't catch some lunker bass. Oh my God. God dang it, I missed another one. Grab it again. Hey, there. Oh my God, dude. They're just nailing it. Oh, there's another one. Same one. I think they're on to my antics. Motor on over across the lake over there. You can probably tuck in straight over there. Yeah, I can tuck in on that side. Whew, why do I need my jacket again? Holy moly. It's cold over here. Let's tuck in this little bay over here. See if we might catch something. There we go. Yeah, baby. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it looked fishy here. Ooh, look at that. He's a jumper. Oh, man. You gonna come back up? Come on. He's got a weed on him now. Come on, little guy. He's a fighter, this one. Holy Christ. He's a fighter. This one's a fighter, guys. Come on. All right, that's right. Here we go. A little more line out here. Holy moly. Nice one. Nice bass. Hook these off. Get off the hook. Come on, mother hummer. All right, we gotta get him here. We gotta get him here. Come on, buddy. Come on there, buddy. Well, that's a beautiful bass, man. They're nice size in here. Holy man. They are a nice size in here. Look at that. Average size, I guess, but look at them. It's a nice bass, huh? Nice. Hell yeah. Look at him. Look at him. It's a beautiful, beautiful fish. All right, buddy. There you go. Off you go. All right. That was cool. That was cool. Number 2. Fish number 2. There we go. Another one. This is a good spot here. Come on, buddy. Yeah, there we go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Come on. Get out of them weeds. Yeah, get out of the lilies. Come on, baby. Oh, that's a northern. Okay. Northern ain't bad either. I mean, I don't like them, but you guys know that. But what are you going to do? You catch a northern, you catch a northern. Just don't want them to break my lure off. I don't want to break my lure off, or my lure off my line. That would suck. They're a real pain sometimes, I tell you what. But we're gonna deal with them properly here. Buddy, you're gonna come up with me up here with me. Wow, there he is. Oh yeah, baby. What was that? What was that, another northern? Absolutely wrecked it. He absolutely wrecked it. That's a bass. That's a nice bass. Oh no. That's a nice bass. Oh my God. That thing is big. That is a decent bass. Wow. Okay. Look at him. Look at him. Well, we're heading back. That's about enough for one morning. It's a good morning to fish. I mean, it's just gonna get too windy out here today. We're gonna head back to the landing and call her a morning. Maybe we'll get out tonight. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.